Also, Alpha, come on. Did you knock wood on that door?
Yes, I knocked several.
John, you're sure that you knocked so well?
I knocked severally, and her neighbor came out and said that she left this way.
She left to where? Oh, today is Saturday. She doesn't go to work on Saturday. Where must she have been? Wait. Are you sure my girl is not seeing another guy because of this? Because I'm very sure that she doesn't go to work on Saturdays. What's going on?
My brother, I knocked very well. I'm going to go back and knock again. I knocked severally.
I am in sorrow, I am in pain. Abuse your name, can make your
Good. I've just got 1 month and 2 days to leave this country, and my girlfriend is still giving me attitude. What is this? I don't want to lose her. God, please help me. Don't want to lose her.
Suddenly became cold just because of one useless girl that entered my brother's life. No, I won't take this. I won't allow this nonsense to happen. Never.
By the way, you may have observed that our son has not been happy for a while now.
Huh? You're right.
Please, find out what is bothering him. Okay?
Yeah, but you know, children of these days, their thoughts are very far from ours. I'll still do that.
Yeah, please do. Because I'm
You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? Living in peace, love and harmony. But now, you just don't make me cry. You made me cry. You made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did wrong. You made me.
I've been good. Do you know how I had to convince my aunt before she lets me? She even had to call my brother and my mom.
Thank God she finally agreed. Loneliness would have killed me here.
I'm here now. So.
Oh my God, I'm so happy. Wait, let me lock the gate. Wow, I'm so happy.
So how have you been now? Like
no, let me help you.
All right. Come on, feed my ears. Like that's been a while. I know you miss me.
I miss you. See beauty. You look great. Wow. I'm so happy to have you back. Oh, dear. Anyway, I won't take long, okay? I will see you when I get back.
Just be safe, my darling. See ya.
All right. If you need anything, call
Bring something back.
Okay.
the city of Jenin and its camps to see the conditions of the citizens and the progress of work in the reconstruction of the camps after the recent Israeli attack on the camp in Operation Jenin 150 weeks ago.
Who is there?
My name is John, Fred's friend. Please open the door for me.
Come in.
Hi.
Hi. How can I help you?
Please, where is you? I need to talk to her.
She left not quite long.
Oh, okay. Please, can I sit down?
Yeah, sure.
Afufana tere love. Afufana tere unanya.
No problems. You don't have to worry about it. Like, I'll make sure she answers your call whenever you call her line again.
It's okay if you do that for me. I'm so grateful. I'm so grateful, huh? Thank you so much. I have to leave now.
All right, thank you so
Take
much.
care.
Huh?
Bye.
Bye, take care of yourself, okay?
Afufana tere love. Afufana tere.
No. I mean it. You know me now. You know I don't just say what I don't mean. I can't just say that now. To my one and only, to my love. Yeah. No. Hold on. I'll call you back, okay? Yeah. I'll call you back.
Fredo, my love, who was that? I don't need to ask. So how you hold it?
Good.
Don't worry. The visa will soon be out.
No.
As you know, I'll be traveling out for my normal checkup very soon, right? The implication of that is that your mother and I will not be available when you'll be leaving, okay? So I need you to take good care of the house. Make sure you look after your sisters, okay? You know, girls, you can't really trust them, so I need you to do that for me.
I will, Dad. I will. I'll put everything in place before I leave.
Good, I trust you.
Ready? I'm going to miss you.
Miss you too.
Stay well. Please take care of them. All right? Oh, my baby.
Dad.
I miss you more. You know I love you, right?
Mom, what about me? The baby of the house.
And I saved the best for you.
I miss you, Mom.
I'm going to miss you more. Be good, okay?
Thank you, Mom.
Fred, remember what I told you, okay?
I remember everything.
Take care of them.
I will.
And for both of you, you know he's a man. If you allow him to cook, you're on your own.
Don't let him cook. Ensure everybody eats on time.
Yes.
And as at when due.
Yes, Mom.
Right? Yes, Mom. Be good. I love you.
I love you too.
Okay.
Take care of your little
Be
sis.
safe.
Okay, Mom. Love you.
Bye. Take care.
I miss
Bye.
you. Dad, I miss you. time you started talking to this guy. From the look of things, he's not aware of this girl disturbing you.
How can you tell me he's not aware? No, tell me, how can a strange girl get my number and keeps disturbing me about him? And you're telling me he's not aware? Oh, please, say something else.
Babe, girls are so desperate and can go extreme for anything. This guy loves you. He's losing his senses already. Can't you see that? Just talk to him. That's the least thing you could do, please.
I cannot believe this.
Sis, this house is becoming too boring. Big bro does not have our time again.
Your big brother is in love.
Is this how they love? Are you trying to tell me that your Raymond don't talk to his siblings simply because he loves you?
Come on, baby sis. They all differ. You don't expect Raymond to behave like your big brother. And you don't expect your big brother to behave like Raymond. They're actually different, you know.
But I want my big bro.
Excuse me, I'm here. Am I not?
You're not my big bro.
Come here.
I want him to talk to me. I want him to give us the attention he used to give us before.
I know. Big baby.
Don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. My favorite. The journey is too far. My favorite. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. You're my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. Don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. Any moment I spend with you gives me joy. All I need is your attention. Please don't divide it. You know, God, I hope to spend all my tomorrow with you, with you. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. My favorite. The journey is too far. My favorite. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. You're my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. Don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. My favorite. The journey is too far. My favorite. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. The journey is too far. Don't twist it.
Okay, I've called you here to tell you something very important. You know, actually, I've missed us. I've missed the way we used to play, our siblings' love, you know, and every other thing we do together. You know, I've really missed you guys. Juliet.
Well, thank God. We miss you too, but we need more of your attention. You know, we hardly make friends outside.
I know, but it's okay. Juliet, you're not saying anything.
Whatever you guys say, it's okay by me.
Hey, come on. It's okay. Secondly, I would love to introduce my girlfriend to you guys. You know, I want her to be familiar with you guys and all that. What do you think?
Any moment I spend with you gives me joy. All I need is your attention. Please don't divide it. You know, God, I hope to spend all my tomorrow with you, with you. The journey is too far, don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. My favorite. The journey is too far, my favorite. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. The journey is too far, don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. You're my favorite. The journey is too far, don't twist it. Don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. The journey is too far, don't twist it. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite. My favorite. The journey is too far, my favorite. Don't twist it. You're my favorite. Any moment I spent with you is my favorite.
Hello, girl. Oh my God. How are you? Fine. I was so worried. How did it go?
Well, everything went fine. His parents traveled abroad for his father's medical checkup. So I only met his two sisters.
So, tell me what I want to hear. Did he accept you? Did he?
Like I said, everything went fine.
As long as you are safe and you came back.
Did you cook anything?
Cook what? I was worried.
My brother and his girlfriend will not allow someone to talk about anything in this house. She has practically taken my brother away from us. I need to do something about this.
Amarachi, wake up, please wake up. Amara, see.
This person does not want to rest. Eh? Good. Babe, don't let this bother you, please. Let's go back to sleep. Eh? Let's go back to sleep. We were sleeping before this rubbish message came in. Please. Let's go back to sleep. Eh? Are you still thinking about this? The earlier you stop thinking about this, the better for you. Eh? Just ignore this person and face your man. I'm sure if Fred is aware of this person, he won't have the mindset to introduce you to his siblings. Hey baby girl, stop crying, please. since yesterday night. I'm sure you didn't sleep because of this person.
I really can't believe I'm going through all this, Amarachi.
Babe, please. I want you to ignore this person. Let's just move on. I do not have any other person in my life except you. God bear me witness.
Fred, you know what? I am sick and tired of this. How do we get this particular person? Because I need to get things cleared here for my sanity.
Babe, how do you want me to get someone that doesn't pick anyone's call? Do you think I'm happy you going through all this because of me? I'm not happy. Just let it be and we move on. I'm tired of this. Come on.
Voila. Since you were able to convince her to forget about it, it's still okay. Nice one. But what I'm thinking is that this person doing this whole thing, I mean, what is he going to gain from all these things?
I don't know. You and I know how much I love Sylvia. I just pray that she gets over this.
Yeah. Yeah, I pray so. I pray so.
Hello, Mom. Mom, how are you? Yeah, I'm fine. We are fine. Yes, they are here. They are fine. Shining. I'm really, really taking care of them. Well, my pocket money has finished though. They've finished our money. They've finished my money.
Give me, let me talk to Mom. Give me the phone, let me talk to Mom.
Okay, Mom, okay.
Give me the phone. Mom! Hello, Mom. We'll give Dad the phone. Let's talk to him too. Yes, we miss you guys. You're going to buy something for me. Come. Give me. Hey, okay. Where's your name?
Hello? Mom, please, you should come on. Yeah, come back, please. Well, I miss that scolding and your shouting. Everyone here does too. Okay.
Give me the phone. I'm the last one. Give me the phone.
Go to the house.
Hello, babe. Good morning. Yes, I did, honey. And you? Yeah, I was actually trying to call my cabman before your call came in. Okay. All right, baby. Yeah, I'm on my way to work already. I love you too, honey. All right. See you.
What are you guys laughing?
Our runaway brother. How is our girlfriend doing?
Yeah, she's fine, but it chased me away, you know, with your anger wahala. It chased me away, you know.
Well, thank God you're in a serious relationship. At least that'll make you understand that girls have natural attitude.
Yeah.
Thank God, though.
I'm learning small, you know. Apoko, apoko. That means little by little.
But you are still our runaway brother.
I got love, oh.
Huh. I don't know why you guys are laughing at me. Yes, baby. I'll discuss with my sister and I'll come and pick you up. Don't worry about that, okay? I'll sort it out before I come. Okay. It's okay.
Raymond. Take. He's still on the phone.
Fine. Hello? Hey, sweet. No, I'm busy in the kitchen. I'm charging my phone in the bedroom. No problem. Please, I'm so busy right now. Can I call you back, please? Please, honey. Okay, honey. Love you too.
I go love you. Hey, if you see the way he was begging me to go and give you the phone, I had no option. I have to bring the phone to you. Hey, but sis, you see this love you're experiencing. I mean, all this plenty love you're experiencing. Me, I want my own. Oh.
Congratulations in advance.
Amen. Alright, I'll see you later when you're done cooking.
Okay.
Please be fast, I'm hungry.
Yes, baby.
So Irish.
Oh, God. Oh.
When are you people going to take me out? Like, I want to eat fish, oh.
Fish. Madam Fish. He has not called me though, but when he does, I will definitely let him know.
I beg you. I'm craving fish.
You're craving fish?
Yes.
On whose account?
Your Dogu's account.
Oh, I will tell him when he calls. Ooh. Bring out your market now.
Fred, food is ready.
Yeah.
Oh, please, do not dish my own yet. I'll eat when I come back.
But bro, I'm done preparing the food already.
It's okay, I'm not eating now. When I come back, I'll do that.
Yeah, don't worry. I'll eat his own, okay? When he comes back. You can dish another one for him.
Alright. That means we have the food to ourselves.
We can't finish that food. So.
Me that love food. Hey, I'll finish everything. Please help me with this spoon. Okay.
You have to tell them first. Yes. Let's hear their response.
Nenye can accommodate that. As for Juliet, no. I doubt. I doubt.
Give it a try, my man. Yes. Anyway, your intentions are not bad, though. Yes. And one more thing. I want you to let them know. they need to be very close to your wife. So that when you travel, you know, there will be bond and there will be unity, you know. There will be no problem. You know what I'm talking about?
Exactly my intention.
Beautiful.
Yes, because I want her to, I don't want her to be far from them when I travel, because I'll be coming back. And once I'm back, I'm coming back to marry her and take her along with me.
Look at you! Look at you! Bad guy!
You are a bad boy.
You are the baddest. You
Cheers,
are the
man.
baddest.
Cheers, man. Cheers.
Yeah, bro. Bro.
Your own is too much. Oh. I've not even given you feedback if he has concluded with his sisters or not. Are you already packing your things?
I know his sisters are not going to say no. Besides, it's just for a few days. Once you are here, I will come back. Besides, going to my training from here is even better.
So you want to leave me and run away?
You want to leave me and come to yours?
Silly girl.
I go love you.
His mom and dad are aware of it.
I can tell them that on the phone. Yeah, I just want you both and Sylvia to get along. Become friends before I travel. She's all I got, and she's all I want in a woman.
Well, that is not my business. You can do whatever you want to do.
She's not staying for long, just a few days and she's gone.
Bro, it's your thing. Just do whatever you want to do.
Okay? Okay, pause. Let me snap you. You're doing shakara now.
Okay. What's that? Okay.
Say cheese.
Cheese.
No, harmonize it. Say cheese.
As long as Juliet is fine with it, I'm fine with it too.
Okay.
You made me cry, you made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? We are living in peace, love and harmony. But now, you just don't make me cry. You made me cry, you made me sad. Who is gonna wipe my tears away? Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did wrong.
Can I at least drop you off and use the opportunity to see your parents?
No. Look, my parents are coming back soon, yes, but I just need to do some things, so I'm pretty busy, okay? Besides, the day they arrive might not even be a good time because, you know, you'll be exhausted from the trip. So I'll let you know, okay?
That's fine. When is Fred travel?
Oh, it has been shifted to next year.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay, let me see you off the gate then.
Thank you.
I remember telling you that I was gonna introduce my girlfriend to you. Okay? Neye? The day I came back, you were not at home. And Juliet, I think she came back so tired and went upstairs. So it wasn't possible that day. But today, she's here. So, I wanted to meet Sylvia.
Hope Dad and Mom is aware of this, Sha. Excuse me.
Juliet. Julie. Nay, what is wrong with her?
It was nice to meet you.
Who is gonna wipe my tears away? Tell me what I did wrong. Tell me what I did wrong.
So he meant he wants to bring that stupid girl to this house. Fred. Okay. I will see to that.
Babe, I thought you discussed with them before coming to pick me up. Why the embarrassment?
It's a Juliet's childish attitude. Lord, let her control herself. None of them said no when I told them. So I don't understand where the attitude is coming from.
Well, I've made up my mind to go tomorrow. I don't want to bring issues in your home. I don't have strength for that.
Babe, calm down, okay? I am going to talk to her again. Take it easy.
Do you know, I've never been this embarrassed my entire life.
It's okay. You'll be fine, okay? Come here. Babe.
Afufana tere love. Afufana tere. I am in sorrow. I am in pain.
You didn't have to behave like that. You know that. Now Fred feels embarrassed.
Afufana tere. Afufana tere. Ije love. Why my own different?
Juliet. Why don't you just wait? Give me a few minutes to finish up with this. Then I'll drop you off.
Don't bother. Thank you.
Julie.
Don't bother. Thank you.
Afufana tere love. Afufana tere. I am in sorrow. I am in pain.
Please, just help me talk to her. My intention was to let you guys know her before I travel. Okay? Since my traveling is coming on February, and I intend showing her to Dad and Mom when they come back. Just do this thing for me. I know you can do it.
Fine, don't worry. I'll talk to her.
Are you going to do it for me?
I said, don't worry, I'll talk to her.
Oh my God, that's my girl. My girl.
Move.
And you're here doing shakara for me all this while.
Whatever.
Eh? Thank you.
Afufana tara love. Afufana tara. I am in sorrow. I am in pain. Abuzionye kamejoro. Afufana tara unanya. Afufana tara ije love.
Julie. Julie, how are you? Did I do something wrong?
My heart is broken. My love, where are you? Where are you? My love, where are you?
Amarachi, how are you? Amara, please, you have to come back tomorrow. Yes. I'll be coming back first thing in the morning. No, I have to. Don't worry, I will tell you everything when I get back. Okay. See you tomorrow. All right. Baby, by tomorrow morning, I will have to go. It's obvious they don't like me here. Especially your sister Juliet.
Babe.
She doesn't even want to set her eyes on me.
Babe. Come on, stop this. Huh? I've told you to give me a little time to handle this myself. My parents are aware that you came to visit. So calm down, please.
No, baby, please. The insult from Juliet is too much. Are you not seeing it?
Babe, see. Calm down. Okay? Calm down, please.
Baby, please. I have to go. I've made up my mind. I beg you, please. Just leave me. I'm tired of this whole thing now.
Nami, they beg you. Why are you doing this now? Baby. Look at those beautiful. Where to?
A friend's birthday party.
Oh, really? Wow, you guys are looking good.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
Bro, you don't know anything about us again because of one girl from nowhere. It's not fair.
Come on, why would you say a thing like that? Come on. Okay. I'm here for you now. Okay? Let me go in there, get dressed, and go with you guys.
For you?
Yeah, serious. I'm serious, for real. Watch and see.
We're waiting.
Few minutes. Coming.
Okay. Sis, if I don't do this thing now, so we'll go lose our brother. Someone has to reset his brain.
Of course, and that's you, right?
And the person is me, Juliet, the baby of the house.